Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics Tech YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. Black holes, one of the mysterious celestial objects in this universe. Roger Penrose got Nobel Prize in 2020 on the research of black holes. What is black holes? How it forms? We can discuss those things in this video. Black hole is one of the end stage of a star. Do you know about Chandrasekhar limit? Famous scientist Chandrasekhar found that there is a relation between decaying of a stars and mass of the sun. This limit is known as Chandrasekhar limit. If a star that have the mass greater than Chandrasekhar limits, those type of stars will end as a black hole. There are different type of stars in this universe. From those stars, one is the category is called binary stars. Binary stars is two stars. Here it is one star and another star. Those stars keep at a particular distance and it will revolve each other. This type of stars are known as binary stars. From the observations, scientists found that some binary stars, there is only one star is remaining. Then what is this? This type of a void exists in the binary stars. Then scientists try to find what it is. At last, they found it as a black hole. A black hole that attracts all the things. Why? Because by reducing a size of an object, what will happen? The density will increase. The gravitational attraction will increase. Similar way, the gravitation will increase in the black hole. The end part of a black hole is known as event horizon and the outer part is known as singularity. If you trapped inside the black hole, you can't escape from this black hole. Why? Do you know about escape velocity? Escape velocity is the minimum velocity of an object that can escape from the big planet. In the case of black holes, it is not possible to escape. Even the light ray also. Then, how to find the presence of black holes? Black holes emits a little bit of X-rays. From the detection of X-rays, the scientists try to find the existence of black holes. Nowadays also, the scientist doesn't got much more information about the black holes. From the limits, I am giving an idea about the black holes. If you like this video, just share to your friends.